కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ సాక్షి వైద్య గారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీషు, హిందీ, తెలుగు అన్నీ మిక్స్ ఉంటాయి. మా ట్యాగ్ తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులు అర్థం చేసుకుంటారని చెప్పి అనుకుంటున్నాను. షీఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ బాంబే. హౌ యూ ఫీల్ అబౌట్ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ మేడం?
హోమ్ టౌన్ ఫర్ మీ యాజ్ అన్ యాక్టర్.
Before you came to the film industry, you're the model.
In school also, always last. So I used to stand because I was height also.
Height,
So always last, and I very big stage fright. Chala stage fright.
How you entered to the film industry first?
I think it happened by chance. Then I entered into advertising. So by the time I reach home, I am very tired.
If you are not fit in for this film industry, you are doing your own.
I don't want to leave the industry. Yeah, I decided. My mom said you go alone. That was very surprising. I didn't expect to become an actor, but maybe on Instagram something I can do.
Okay.
30 seconds low you cannot judge and you cannot become an actor.
Correct.
30 seconds reel anybody can make.
In that particular, if you are.
Yeah, if I was not an actor, definitely. Suri sir wants to meet you for a meeting. Initially I thought it's a scam.
First day shoot, that is black, total black in that particular area.
Yeah. But yeah, that was my first ever audition in my life.
How many auditions you gave?
Sometimes they go to round 2, sometimes most of them don't work out. Came alone here, and then for I think 3 months they took tests and everything. Every time I came alone.
How comfortable you are in Telugu states? You are working with the Telugu people.
Speaking little problems.
My English and your Telugu same. Not a problem.
How sweet.
What was your reaction when you were selected? Excitement or fear?
Fear. I was very terrified first day because the vanity and all was, everything was very new. I think people have a lot of advices to give. I think not every advice should be taken seriously. Some people say gain weight, some people say lose weight, some people say your nose is very this, your nose is that, teeth is this. You will have a lot of advices coming from a lot of people. You have to take it with a pinch of salt and just move on in life.
What is your first film impression?
Remuneration. I don't know, can I reveal it? I remember my first scene with a senior actor was Sampath Garu.
You कुछ सिखाएगा तेलुगु लैंग्वेज में क्या क्या आता है?
तेलुगु लैंग्वेज में अभी तो कुछ बैड वर्ड्स कोई नहीं सिखाया. कैसे गुस्सा में बात नहीं करते. इंट्रा है ओनली दिस उनको भी अल्लू अर्जुन सर बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि उनको मैं पुष्पा 1 के लिए लेके गई थी.
What kind of messages from fans touch you the most?
I don't know.
कितना friends है आपको? Your nose like that, your smile like that. నైంటీస్లో మనకు సినిమా వచ్చింది, నందమూరి బాలకృష్ణ, శోభన అద్భుతంగా నటించిన సినిమా అద్భుతమైన విజయాన్ని సాధించింది. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ అదే పేరుతో నారీ నారీ నడుము మురారి అంటూ శర్వానంద్, సాక్షి వైద్య, సంయుక్త మీనన్ వీళ్ళందరూ కలిసి చేస్తున్న సినిమా చాలా ప్రయోగాత్మకంగా ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ డ్రామాతో వస్తున్నారు. సంక్రాంతికి వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బెస్ట్ మూవీస్లో ఇది కూడా ఉంటుందని చెప్పేసి చాలా బలంగా నమ్ముతున్నాం. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ సాక్షి వైద్య గారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
ఈ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీషు, హిందీ, తెలుగు అన్నీ మిక్స్ ఉంటాయి. మా ట్యాగ్ తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులు అర్థం చేసుకుంటారని చెప్పి అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే షీఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ బాంబే. ఇప్పుడే ఈ సినిమా అంతా భుజాల మీద వేసుకొని
నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను.
నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, హౌ యూ ఫీల్ అబౌట్ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ మేడం?
Feel very comfortable. Now that I've worked in other industries also, I think Telugu feels like home.
Yeah, this is the first break, no? Is agent movie.
First break as an actor. So hometown for me as an actor.
Very nice. Before you came to the film industry, you're the model.
Yeah. No, I was physiotherapist.
Physiotherapist.
Yeah.
You are not doing any modeling or something?
I did for a couple of months only. For
Okay.
some months I did, and then I entered into advertisements.
Okay.
Because I wanted to do something close to acting. So I think advertise is something that I got easily. So I started with advertises.
How you know you have any actor in your brain?
I actually did not know. In school also, always last. So last I used to stand because I was height also.
Height,
So always last, and I very big stage fright. Chala stage fright. So that's why I never tried also to be on stage. But I think during COVID only I decided that maybe I didn't expect to become an actor, but maybe on Instagram something I can do.
Okay.
It's that
Your Instagram reels also very creatively.
Ah.
I watched some.
Yeah, I used to love that. I still do, but a little busy now.
Yeah, you are in your movie promotions and all in your Instagram.
Yeah, so by the time I reach home, I am very tired to shoot anything.
Okay, you did on Malayalam movie, that movie name is Hall. How is that?
It's getting a very good response from Kerala. I get people from Kerala are texting me very good, and you did very nice role and all of that. Still feels very grateful. But now second movie I have to focus
Okay.
for this
In
release.
2026, he got back-to-back releases.
Back to back, surprising, yeah.
Yeah. How you entered to the film industry first?
I think it happened by chance. My one reel used to go viral.
Okay.
So from there, a casting director told me that you have it in you inside, but 30 seconds low you cannot judge and you cannot become an actor.
Correct.
30 seconds reel anybody can make. So then he called me and we started. I started taking workshops from him, and from there he made me into this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Any special course you did, ma'am?
I worked. There's a acting coach in Mumbai. His name is Atul Mongia. I worked under him for some time,
Okay.
and otherwise I took workshops random.
If you are not fit in for this film industry, you are doing your own physiotherapy.
Like, nah, I don't want to leave the industry.
No.
Nah.
In that particular, if you are,
Yeah, if I was not an actor, definitely physiotherapist.
Okay.
Something in medical field.
when you got the Surendra Reddy sir opportunity, and how it will happen?
Actually, a person from AK Entertainments, they called me. They're like, Suri sir wants to meet you for a meeting. Initially, I thought it's a scam.
Okay.
Because,
So many calls is automatically.
yeah, and anybody can text, no? On Instagram, you cannot, authenticity, you cannot verify. But I don't know how I just decided to trust because he called my mom.
Okay.
He was like, I'm ready to speak with your parents also. If you want, you can bring your mother. And that's, I think he assured me a lot. So I think I trusted.
That is the trusting point, actually.
Yeah, exactly. But Suri Garu was also a very good supporting system.
That time you decided, okay, we'll go to Hyderabad.
Yeah, I decided. My mom said you go alone. That was very surprising.
Oh.
Yeah, I came alone here. And then for I think 3 months, they took tests and everything. Every time I came alone.
Okay, I heard about that first day shoot, that is black, total black in that particular area.
Yeah.
That is total dark.
Yeah, ఒక warehouse లో they made me stand on some like with the lights and all, and the big camera. The first time I saw this very big steady camera, and Surya was like, now you cry. Now you have broken up, you're very sad and you cry. And that time I was like, how? Cry if there's no person in front of me. But yeah, that was my first ever audition in my life. Yeah.
Now, after 3-4 movies you did, that is you're always a very beautiful girl, a very charming girl. She acted very well. Everyone said no. This time also you are going to regularly auditions. It's necessary, ma'am?
I personally feel that it is necessary because I feel like tomorrow if a director trusts me and I sign the film, I will not, and if he later on he feels that I am not worth it.
Okay.
Instead of that happening, I feel like I need to, I need to prove to the director that I am capable of handling this film, this character. So that's the reason why I feel that auditions, I am comfortable with giving auditions.
Okay. How many auditions you gave?
For agent,
Not only agent, after that also, till now, how
till
many?
now, I don't remember. Every week I give 2 or 3 auditions.
Oh,
Yeah, 2 3 auditions minimum. Sometimes they go to round two. Sometimes most of them don't work out. But every week, at least one audition I give. Every week.
okay. How comfortable you are in Telugu states? You are working with the Telugu people.
Very comfortable now. Like నాకు అర్థమైంది completely. So now I'm very comfortable with like conversations and everything. Little instructions and all also I can give. But speaking, little problems.
No problem. My English and your Telugu same. Not a problem.
How sweet.
How did your first film opportunity come to you? You said
Ah,
that.
that.
Okay. What was your reaction when you were selected? Excitement or fear?
Actually,
Honest से बोलना है.
fear.
Fear है.
Yeah, fear.
क्या है सब?
Because yeah, very unexpected, and I did not usually we plan everything in life, and this time I had no plans. I was just going completely blind. So fear, yeah, not excited.
अरे. And what is the biggest struggle you faced as a newcomer the people doesn't usually see?
Um, I think people have a lot of advices to give you.
Hmm.
I think not every advice should be taken seriously.
This is true.
Yeah, because so many some people
You have
say-
your emotion, no?
correct. Some people say gain weight, some people say lose weight, some people say your nose is very this, your nose is that, teeth is this. You will have a lot of advices coming from a lot of people. You have to take it with a pinch of salt and just move on in life.
I first Katrina Kaif in 2004. Malleswari movie is there.
Correct.
Same like your
Looks,
nose like that. Your smile like that.
yeah.
Like Katrina Kaif.
Yeah, Katrina Kaif and
Pooja Hegde?
Ileana D'Cruz.
Ileana D'Cruz.
D'Cruz,
Okay.
yeah.
Bhumika also some saris.
Oh, booming. And this is the first time I'm hearing.
Yeah. I watched your so many frames in Instagram. Look like some shots in Bhumika. That time.
The older version.
Yes, yeah. Okay. On set, behind the scenes, what was your first day on the film set like?
First day, agent.
Agent.
First day, actually, I was very terrified first day because the vanity and all was everything was very new. But Akhil Garu and Suri Garu's wife Deepa ma'am was also they were all there, so I felt like family only. They were very supportive.
They're very supportive and they're very friendly.
Yeah, they're very friendly. And Suri Garu used to come to my vanity before every scene, and he used to tell me in English, "You do, it's okay. If you can't do it," because he could see it in my face that I'm like very scared. So he was very supportive like that. So
He understand that time. She is a very nervous now.
he treated me like a newcomer, but with like a lot of love and care. Also.
So many seniors working there project.
Correct.
That time, what is your mind? So many seniors is working with.
I remember my first scene with a senior actor was Sampath Garu. He was my he played a villain in Agent. That time, I don't know, there was a different kind of fear because they give takes in like one take artists everybody is, and you were just fumbling with the language is also new. So I was very very scared, but at the same time I realized that all these senior actors are very very understanding towards their co-actors.
You work in 3 years. That
3
film
years,
enter and release. That between 3 years time.
3 years, yes.
That time you didn't any work.
No work. Agent had to release first for me to do any other work. So it started 2020 end lo it started. 2020 end nunchi till 23. Yeah. 3 years.
What is your first remuneration, madam?
Remuneration. I don't know. Can I reveal it?
Yeah, why not?
I got
That is the first no.
first remuneration. I got 5 lakhs for it.
5 lakhs only.
Yeah. But I was so happy. It was my first ever film remuneration. Yeah.
That time you decided, yes, I am the heroine.
Yeah, that time for me 5 lakhs was very big amount.
Yeah. That first time కదా అందుకనే
Exactly.
అది చాలా
It's
ఎక్కువ.
my money, yeah. It's my work, my hard work, and my money.
Who gave you that 5 lakhs? What is
Who
your
was talking about the money? The conversation you're talking.
आप 5 लाख किसको दिया आपने?
अच्छा, मैंने किसको दिया?
हाँ ऐसा
अयो।
ऐसा ओके.
मैंने तो मुंबई में रेंट पे घर लिया.
नहीं बाद में एक बार फिर बोले ना.
मैंने वो 5 lakhs में मुंबई घर का रेंट दिया.
घर का रेंट है.
हाँ.
ये नहीं आपका ओन घर नहीं है क्या?
My parents have, but I am living separately. So.
Oh, separately.
Yeah,
You are
yeah,
individual.
close,
Independent.
close to work. My family lives a little away from Mumbai, so it's every day I had to travel like 2 hours. So I moved a little close to work.
When is your first come to in your mind? I want to go films. What is
After
it?
agent.
After is it?
Even I think even today I don't feel like I'm into movies and all. I still feel that same only, because once you get the understand the behind the scenes and the efforts that go into filmmaking, you don't feel like a heroine anymore. You just feel like a worker. You know, you have to do better. You have to do this and that. Only that.
5 लाख दे के मामी क्या किया? क्या बात ने
पार्टी दिया उनको.
पार्टी दिया?
पार्टी दिया. हाँ.
वो मेरा पहला 5 लाख रेम्यूनरेशन है.
हाँ रिमेम्बर पार्टी किया था हमने.
After that increases 5 times 10 times bigger than.
Increase of course.
नारी नारी नडबो मुरारी बोलते हो. मालूम है आपको?
नारी नारी मुरारी. हाँ पता है.
नारी नारी नडबो मुरारी. मुरारी शर्वानंद कैसा है मैम इन सेट्स?
They are very apt title he has, charming star. He's very calm actually, but screen lo he's very that he has that comic timing. Chala bagundi. The beautiful lively comedy he does.
Yeah, your director also very comedy director.
Yeah, very good.
पहले फिल्म उसका सामाजिक वर्ग बना.
सामाजिक
ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म श्री विष्णु सर का.
Yeah.
नव सर्वानंद तरना गया. आपका कैसा पकड़ते आपका शब्द वो कॉमेडी टाइमिंग का आपका कैसा करते कौन बताएगा आपको?
Sai sir was there to help me throughout, but more than that, I think, like I said, every senior artist also, Sampath Garu, Vennela Kishore Garu, they were all there to discuss. So I think I was a part of that discussion, so I understood the whole. And they are such good actors and such senior actors that they explained it also really well.
Vennela Kishore and Sarvanand combination also very beautiful combinations.
Yeah, very good. I also have scenes with Vennela Kishore Garu sir. So yeah.
First 2 films you are in the like cop role, like fighting.
Correct.
And everything. In the now it's a drama.
Correct. Family drama. Correct.
Family drama. Which is comfortable to you?
I would say a family drama. More romantic, more girl next door kind of roles are more comfortable for me. But action, there's also, I like action, but I don't want to be like boxed into action because I did continuously 2 films. So this is something fresh and new to offer to the audiences.
Very nice. How many days you are working with Nari Nari Nadbo Murari?
I think total days I worked 55 days.
55 days you are working?
Yeah. Yeah.
So many emotional scenes is there? Emotional scenes also is there?
There are emotional scenes, but I think Sai Garu has treated it with comic only. They're not like very, very serious. In a sense of comedy lens only, they have. Because he likes that he's very jolly person. So everything he looks from a sense of comedy only. So he's made it a very right-hearted version of it.
55 days पे आप कितने दिन कंटिन्यू शूट किया?
Continuous, I think the Kerala schedule was the longest. Alapi schedule. I think it was 15 days.
15 days for the time the songs also you shot.
Yeah, the songs, the Kerala sequences, fights and all were there. But yeah, that was the longest 15-16 days we shot.
Okay. And are you taking acting at dialogue training or alongside with the films?
Workshops and all, yeah, I keep doing. Whenever I like right now, it's been some time because I was shooting. But whenever I'm in Mumbai, 1 or 2 months, I go randomly for
Okay,
workshop.
regular. What is your regular routine in Mumbai?
When I don't have work, I wake up early in the morning. I go for a morning walk. Then I come back home, have my breakfast, then gym. Then usually I go for in the afternoons I have like maybe dance class or acting workshops, or if not that, then I go for Pilates class. Something I keep doing every day, meetings or something. And then in the evening, me and my parents and cat.
Oh, okay. We are totally busy schedule था आपका.
Yeah, I keep it busy only.
Okay. What kind of feedback affects you to the most? Criticism or appreciation?
Affects me
Yeah.
in criticism.
Hmm. What type of criticism you got?
I mean, of course, there are trolls that they also affect me in various ways, but I think positive criticism is the one that I really start to think about. Like if somebody comes up to me and somebody tells me that, the scene is nice, but if you did it like this, no, if you had not kept here or something like that, if they tell me like this, then that I think really helps me to make it better.
ఇప్పటి వరకు బెస్ట్ బెస్ట్ మార్క్స్ పడ్డ టాపిక్ ఏంటి మీకు వచ్చిన దానిలో బెస్ట్ ఫీల్ అయింది ఏంటి బాగా అంటే ఇంతకంటే ఏంటిది ఎంత అనుకున్న సందర్భం ఏంటి
Which subject I liked? I think the compliment would be for Hal that I got. That where people messaged me saying,
మలయాళ పీపుల్
yeah, that's the first time people genuinely said that the film is really good and we enjoyed. I think more than just my character, if people are enjoying the entire film, that is more. That feels more home than just my character.
ఓకే యూ ఆర్ ట్రయింగ్ టు ఎనీ బాలీవుడ్ ఆడిషన్స్ లైక్
Yeah, I give because since I'm also Hindi, I keep giving in Hindi also. But Telugu is always like a priority. I keep doing Telugu
వై యూ ప్రయారిటైజ్ తెలుగు ఇన్
because
పర్టికులర్ రీజన్ ఐ థింక్ అంటే వాట్ ఐ థింక్ ఈస్ ఎనీ పర్టికులర్ రీజన్ అబౌట్ యూ
I think the reason because since I started here and now I've gotten comfortable here. Since now I feel like since now I've taken efforts, I'm taking efforts to learn Telugu. I'm taking classes also to learn Telugu.
ఓ
Yeah, so if I'm doing all of this and then suddenly shifting the audience, then there's no point. No, then I want to make my mark first here and then maybe we'll see ahead.
యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ టీచర్ ఇన్ తెలుగు
Yeah, online I take classes.
ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్
Yeah, online I
వెరీ
take a
నైస్
ma'am.
వెరీ నైస్
Yeah.
అండ్ హౌ డిఫరెంట్ ఈస్ ద రియల్ యూ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ ఇమేజ్
Yeah, I think on screen I look very innocent and very quiet, but I'm not like that in real life.
हाउ डू यू हैंडल प्रेशर ट्रोलिंग अनरियलिस्टिक होता है ना वो सबका प्रेशर कैसा पकड़ते हैं आप
जिम में
हाँ
जिम में हैंडल कर लेता है सब।
सबको
थोड़ा ज्यादा वजन उठाएगा आज मेरे को बुरा बोला तो।
and one habit of routine that keeps you focused
Morning walks.
no it works.
Yeah, I think that's a very good start to my day.
Okay, what keeps you grounded despite the sudden attention?
My parents.
Okay.
They're always there to pull me down. When I say, if I tell them to do something, you can pick that up for me. And they're like, I'm not your spot dada. You do it yourself.
This part that
Yeah. So my parents keep me grounded.
always no you're in this
Yeah.
house you're not heroine.
You work for yourself. You want food, you go to the kitchen and get it.
What kind of roles do you want people to associate with?
Romantic.
Romantic.
Yeah, love story, like a serious love story.
पहले साल में क्या देख लिया ब्यूटीफुल रोमांटिक पिक्चर
Yeah, serious love stories देखना है, पसंद करती हूँ.
पसंद करते क्या देखा आपने
There's this Hindi film called Laila Majnu.
oh
Yeah, that I really liked.
very nice. Do you want to be known more for commercial cinema or performance driven roles?
Performance driven. 100%.
100%. नारी नारी नड़ुमे पे परफॉर्मेंस का स्कोप कितना है
I think नारी नारी नटमो मुरारी में performance wise है काफी scope, but then again Nitya, my character is very similar to Sakshi's character.
Okay.
So when the character is very similar to your personal self, then the performance is like I'm being myself only. So it's not really a practiced performance, but definitely the situations are something very new and not experienced. So there is a lot of that there. That situation wise, a lot of scope.
Okay. How many beautiful situations in Nari Nari Nadavo Murari?
All.
Ah.
All are beautiful. Beautiful in the sense very funny.
Okay.
Like comic situations.
You understand that funny moments in...
Yeah.
You acted, no?
Yeah.
But there you don't dub yourself.
Yeah.
Ah.
No, but when I get the scene, I get it in English. Then I call an AD, and then he explains it to me everything. Then in local terms, what it is called and how it is said, everything I first understand, and then I get out of my vanity.
ओके यू कुछ सिखाएगा तेलुगु लैंग्वेज में क्या क्या आता है आपको
कोई तेलुगु लैंग्वेज में अभी तो कुछ बैड वर्ड्स कोई नहीं सिखाया.
बैड वर्ड माइंड आपको सिखाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ सिखा तो मेरे को चलेगा. वो थोड़ा मलयालम में फ्रेंड्स ने सिखा दिया. अभी तेलुगु में थोड़ा बैड वर्ड सीखना बचा है.
बचे आपके साथ सो मेनी पीपल है मेकअप वाला सब.
वो तो बहुत एकदम दे वेरी काइंड पीपल.
Okay.
या सॉफ्ट हार्टेड पीपल.
एवरीबॉडी साथ वो नहीं बात करते हो ऐसा
कैसे गुस्सा में बात नहीं करते. हाँ इंट्रा है ओनली दिस दे विल नॉट से एनी बैड वर्ड.
ఏంట్రా అంటారు నిన్ను.
इंट्रा इज लाइक व्हाट रे लाइक दैट ना.
ఓకే ఇన్ మలయాళం హౌ మెనీ వర్డ్స్
You in
bad words
Malayalam?
I know little bit.
Little. Yeah, little like knee patti. All the bad words my friends told me.
So in Telugu also నీ అమ్మ.
Nyamma.
నీ అమ్మ.
Nyamma is your mother?
Yeah.
Yeah. तेरी माँ का. Nyamma.
तेरी माँ का.
हाँ.
क्या रे कैसा बात कर रहे.
Yeah.
ऐसा. रिसेंट टाइम में क्या पिक्चर देखा आपने तेलुगु का.
तेलुगु रिसेंट टाइम में पुष्पा 2 देखा.
हाँ.
एंड
तेलुगु में देखा और
तेलुगु में I
में?
don't watch dubbed films.
हाँ सुपर.
वो एसेंस नहीं मिलता है.
हाँ द ओरिजिनलिटी इज मिसिंग.
एग्जैक्टली वो लिप्स अलग चलता है. हिंदी में अलग बात करते हैं.
बात अलग चलता है किंद अब भी
वो नीचे अलग पढ़ना
पड़ता है.
हाँ वो डब नहीं पढ़ती. मैं तेलुगु में देखा एंड सरिपोद्दा शनिवार.
Very
One
nice.
of my favorite films.
सरिपोदा शनिवार also.
I like that film.
Oh.
Yeah.
कितना हीरो के मिला आप तेलुगु में पर्सनली ऑडिशंस के लिए भी.
नहीं the only the people that I've worked with.
That's it.
Yeah, I have not met any heroes without work. If I'm working with
No,
them.
that is also work. No, it's a audition going.
Auditions is only single auditions.
Okay.
Yeah, only the female auditions.
Okay. What kind of messages from fans touch you the most? You have fans?
I don't know.
नहीं,
I have some admirers.
मैं हानस से पूछ रहा. फैंस है आपका एक दो फिल्म है ना.
Correct. नहीं honestly admirers है. fans तो ऐसा वो बोल नहीं सकते. But that's what the people.
The followers.
हाँ
followers बोल सकते.
हाँ there are a lot of followers who keep a tap on like you did that in agent but now you have improved. I think somebody if they tell me that you have improved, I feel that is a very good compliment.
Okay. How important is social media nowadays?
Very.
Huh?
Very important.
Very important. How you are into Instagram now? I watched that. क्या करते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे?
I think अभी like you have made a product, right? To sell it to the masses, to the maximum audiences, I think reels and social media is very important.
Yeah.
So for that and in general also content wise there's a freedom that you can just use your phone to make whatever you want today and you can go viral and people will support you or hate you for it whatever
it is.
Yeah, whatever it is. So I think it is very important for a person.
Nowadays social media is very powerful.
Correct. 100%.
100%. An actor definitely you do. Okay.
We need it. Yeah.
What do you want audiences to notice about you beyond looks?
I think performance. Yeah, my performance.
Which actor performance you loved most?
Female?
फीमेल, both बोलो with example.
Allu Arjun sir and Pushpa.
Oh, super.
Super performance. That man, like, he's crazy. What a performer he is. I think Allu Arjun sir and Pushpa and which other film I watched? I don't remember. Um, I even liked Mrunal Thakur in Hai Nana.
Hainana also,
Very
she
nice.
she did very well.
Yeah, very nice film.
आपको कॉम्पिटिटर कौन है आपका?
कोई नहीं, मैं अपना कॉम्पिटिटर है.
अपना काम दे रहे, नारी नारी नडबू मुरारी को
मैं ही कर रहा है कैरी.
हाँ, सो आपने कह रहे हैं नारी नारी नडबू मुरारी यूट्यूब पे जाके इंटरव्यूज बोल तो आपकी इंटरव्यूज आ रहे साक्षी वैद्य का.
और दिन में इतना इंटरव्यूज देंगे तो इतना वही आएगा ना.
कैसा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं वो सब?
हाँ, I have fun having a candid conversation with someone.
You liked it?
Yeah. I'm a talkative person, so if somebody is giving me a platform to talk, I'm happy.
Okay, you must learn Telugu. पहले तेलुगु सिखाओ, बाद में बात करेंगे हम दोनों बैठ के.
Definitely.
Okay?
Definitely, yes sir.
And मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं किया ऐसा इंटरव्यू. पहले बार पेपर पकड़ा तो क्या है. In this particular films, like in Telugu industry, now they struggle very badly because everyone watching the films in OTT platforms,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
This is very bad phase of any actor, any production house, any director. Like थिएटर के जाके सिनेमा देखने के क्या है, क्या करना है?
I think now people go to theaters for experience. Of course, there's OTT for everything, but वो अल्लू अर्जुन की एंट्री पुष्पा 2 में होती है तो जो वैसा तालियां बजता है वो थिएटर में ही होगा, वो OTT में नहीं होगा. So I think theater is now for experience only. So if you promise to give people a very good experience, like for example Dhurandhar also, a very good example of theater watch.
3 घंटा 40 मिनट है.
Exactly, and you don't realize also 3 घंटा 40 मिनट कब जाता है. So I think that for that films which will work in theater will always work out in theater.
आपका फ्रेंड्स क्या बोल रहे हैं? अरे मैं हीरोइन बन गया, तेलुगु फिल्म के जा रहे बोल तो. ठीक है.
वो तारीफ करते रहता है बीच में, ऐसा कुछ तो भेज देगा मुझे कि ये सॉन्ग में अच्छा दिख रही हूँ ये वो, बट ऐसा कुछ हीरोइन वाला नहीं. वो बस बोलता है, उनको लगता है हीरोइन हो गई तो अभी पैसा मैं भरूंगी. अभी पार्टी का पैसा साक्षी भरेगी, वो हीरोइन हो गई.
ओके, ऐसा बात करते हैं.
हाँ, वो और कुछ नहीं बात करते.
कितना फ्रेंड्स है आपको?
3-4 है मेरे कॉलेज के हॉस्टल फ्रेंड्स.
बहुत खास दोस्त है.
खास दोस्त है.
सब बात करते हैं.
हाँ, सब यही बात करते हैं, इसलिए मैं उनको बोलती नहीं हूँ पिक्चर आ रही है, वो बोले है पार्टी. पिक्चर आ रहा है पार्टी.
आपका फ्रेंड्स को तेलुगु हीरो में कौन पसंद है?
उनको भी अल्लू अर्जुन सर बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि उनको मैं पुष्पा 1 के लिए लेके गई थी.
ओके.
तो उनको अल्लू अर्जुन सर बहुत पसंद. वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स आल्सो लाइक्स रामचरण.
ओह, आपका देख ले रामचरण अल्लू अर्जुन को बार बार बात कर रहे हैं और अगले फिल्म में आएगा.
अगला फिल्म में, हाँ, तब उनको लगेगा कि मैं हीरोइन बन गई.
ओके. हाउ कंफर्टेबल इन द एनवायरनमेंट you are from Bombay. Who supposed to
in Hyderabad. Very comfortable, because like I said, all my team such very soft people, everybody is so helpful. So now, and actually it's been a long time also, but I lost touch after Gandhivadhari. For 1 or 2 years I was not in Hyderabad, I was in Bombay, because I thought like maybe things are not working out, but whenever I come back to Hyderabad, it's like I never left. It's the same again.
Same team is आपका साथ रहे.
Yeah, and everybody is very helpful to me. So
आपका प्रोडक्शन हाउस के बारे में बात करें, अनिल सुंकरा सर.
Yes, Anil sir is one of the sweetest man, because I remember pre-release एजेंट के pre-release के टाइम उन्होंने कहा था मुझे कि we will do another film together. You mark my words. So I think Nari Nari is how he kept his promise.
How is Sarvanand working with you and with Samyukta Menon also?
Very actually we had a lot of fun. All our combination scenes are full chaos situations and everything, So he's very like it's with working with him is very easy.
Okay.
I would say.
संयुक्त मीनन फिल्म कुछ देखा आपने?
विरूपाक्षा.
विरूपाक्ष देखा?
हाँ.
बहुत अच्छा किया ना?
अच्छा किया.
Uh,
बहुत अच्छा किया. वो स्टोरी भी बहुत अच्छा है.
oh, that line is very.
Yeah, the black magic whole idea. Yeah, very nice.
कैसा फिल्म पसंद है आपको?
Well, actually, Virupaksha जैसा film, that role is very nice. Something like psycho, you know, like a black magician thing. That वैसा film, serious film भी मुझे पसंद है, but rom-coms always favorite.
Your favorite?
Yeah.
Like शाहरुख खान, काजोल का फिल्म.
शाहरुख, massive शाहरुख खान fan.
Oh,
Yeah.
सब फिल्म देखा आपने शाहरुख खान का?
शाहरुख सर का अभी recent वाला नहीं देखा है,
Okay.
but बाकी सब पुराना सब कुछ देखा है.
वेरी नाइस. कुछ बोलेगे हमारा टैग तेलुगु पीपल को? कुछ बोल दो, बोलो.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ మీ. ప్లీజ్ అందరూ మీ ఫ్యామిలీస్తో కలిసి నారి నారి నడుమ మురారి థియేటర్స్లో ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఐ విల్ సీ యూ గైజ్ సంక్రాంతికి ఆన్ 14th of January.
Yes. In Sankranti festival, in Telugu people, there is a very big festival.
Correct.
In that particular festival, so many big films release. Like opposite Prabhas Garu, Chiranjeevi sir, and Raviteja sir. Everyone is there. Who is the winner? Your ख्याल से क्या बोल रहे हैं आप ही नारी 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 नडुम मुरारी ओनली?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. लाइक पीपल विल बी द बेस्ट जज एक्चुअली, बट वी आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट विथ व्हाट वी आर ब्रिंगिंग. सो लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट.
But where is your hero, Sharvanand sir?
आप उनके बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो ना, आप कॉल करके पूछो.
आपको बोला ना, अरे कुछ प्रमोशन करेंगे, आपको बोला ना.
अभी उनको बुला के रील बनाते हैं.
अभी
अभी रील बनाएंगे और फिर वायरल कर देंगे.
सब वायरल करेंगे. Anyways, congratulations for coming Tag Telugu interview. And next time you आने के पहले तेलुगु में बात करना है.
100%.
तेलुगु सीखो. मैं भी थोड़ा आपका बैड वर्ड सिखाऊंगा इन तेलुगु पे. चलेगा. ओके, राइट माँ. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू. साक्षी वैद्य जी, एक रैपिड फायर पूछेंगे आपको. ओके, आपका बिगेस्ट फियर क्या है? फेलियर में होता है फिल्म पे?
वो मतलब ऐसे लाइक नॉट राइजिंग अप फ्रॉम फेलियर.
ओके. बिगेस्ट मोटिवेशन?
बिगेस्ट मोटिवेशन पेइंग माय बिल्स.
वेरी नाइस. वन वर्ड टू डिस्क्राइब योर जर्नी सो फार. एक बात में.
एडवेंचरस.
Really?
Well, lot of different.
One actor you admire the most?
Allu Arjun sir, Nani garu.
Both.
Yeah.
Favorite genre to act in?
Horror.
हॉरर में आप सूट होते हैं? आपका बहुत अच्छा है. आप
वो करेगा मेकअप करके
करेगा. और ड्रीम रोल क्या है आपका?
मृणाल ठाकुर इन सीतारामम.
आपने देखा? तेलुगु पे?
तेलुगु.
ओह सुपर. कुछ टॉलीवुड में नंबर 1 का आदमी के बारे में पूछेंगे. एक वर्ड में बता दो. महेश बाबू सर. गुड लुकिंग. रामचरण सर.
वेरी टैलेंटेड.
अल्लू अर्जुन सर.
मासी.
जूनियर एनटीआर सर.
स्टार.
एंड चिरंजीवी सर.
स्टाइलिश. Yeah, for his age he is very stylish.
वेंकटेश सर, मालूम है आपको?
हाँ पता है. वेंकटेश सर फैमिली में माचो फैमिली में.
नागार्जुन सर.
फिट. Yeah, very fit and fine.
प्रभास. Now you are competitor now. Pongal.
Iconic.
And Raviteja sir.
मासी हीरो.
तेलुगु हीरोइंस एक्ट्रेस में कौन आपको पता है?
लाइक कौन मुझे अच्छा लगता है? There are a lot of actors that I like. साई पल्लवी.
कब मिला है उसको?
नहीं मिला नहीं है. वो फैन गर्ल मोमेंट हो जाएगा.
आपको भी? वेरी नाइस. वरुण तेज.
वरुण तेज only I can think is tall. He's very tall.
आप भी tall है.
Exactly, मैं टॉल, मेरे से बहुत ज्यादा टॉल है.
అండ్ సాయిధరం తేజ్,
It's a good actor.
అఖిల్,
Very good looking.
నాగ చైతన్య,
I like Naga Chaitanya sir also. Cute.
Cute. सब बोल लिया, सब मालूम है आपको.
सब मालूम.
शर्वानंद सर,
Charming star.
चार्मिंग स्टार, आपने दिया उसको
वो उनका
Award.
है ना टाइटल उनका वही.
नारी नारी नడుమ मुरारी, इरुवरी बामला कौगिलिलो मतलब मालूम है आपको?
नहीं.
आपको तेलुगु सिखाया है ना?
हाँ.
इरुवरी बामला, इरुवरू मीन्स
2 girls.
2 girls.
Ah.
బామలు,
Bamalu is.
బ్యూటిఫుల్ గర్ల్స్.
Oh, okay. In the middle there's a boy. Oh, got it.
ఎనీవేస్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ కమింగ్.
Thank you so much.
ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్.
Thank you so much.
ఇదండి సాక్షి వైద్య ఫస్ట్ టైం మనకి టాక్ తెలుగు ఆఫీస్కి వస్తున్నప్పుడు కొంచెం 2 రకాలుగా 3 రకాలుగా ఆలోచించాము. సరే, నాకు తెలియదు అమ్మాయికి తెలుగు రాదన్న సంగతి, అందుకే యాక్సెప్ట్ చేశాను. బట్ ఇక్కడ దాకా వచ్చినాక మనం డిసప్పాయింట్ చేయకూడదు కాబట్టి ఒక ఆర్టిస్ట్కి ఒక రెస్పెక్ట్ చేద్దామన్న ఉద్దేశంతో ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేయడం జరిగింది. సరదాగా ఉంటుంది. కాసేపు మీరు కూడా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. టాలెంటెడ్ పీపుల్ని ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మీ ముందుకు తీసుకొస్తుంటాను టాక్ తెలుగు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ద్వారా. నేను మీ శివ మల్లాల. థ్యాంక్ యూ.